Hello. Hi and
Hello.
good morning. Shalini, hope you're doing good. Please confirm, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Thank you. In today's session, we'll see controlling documents. Means we create sales order, delivery, and billing. How these documents are being controlled with customization or configuration. Let's have a look. What are the controlling documents? We have controlling documents with sales, with delivery, and billing. While creating an order, we use order type as OR. Okay? And in this OR, these are the controlling parameters that we can control. Let's have a look. If I try to create an order via transaction code /n VA01, order type OR, orange, sales area, enter, customer reference, material, quantity, and delivery date. Let's assume customer requires delivery by 2nd of March. Enter. Continue. Fine. Let's save it. So we are able to get an order reference upon saving the document. Sales document 20002220. How these parameters are being controlled at the backend. We have two options. Either we can go directly via transaction code VOB8. Else we can navigate like this. /n SPRO reference IMG sales and distribution sales. Click onto this node, we can see sales document. Click onto this node, and here we can see sales document header. In previous session, I have shown you where exactly the sales header exists. Let's open this node. We can see defined sales document type. Execute. We considered OR order type while creating an order, right? So sales document type OR. Let's search OR. Continue. We can see here OR sales document type. Select it. Click onto this details icon. Here, what are all fields we can control here is like sales document type OR, sales document category, which is C. C means order type. Then we have seen that upon saving sales order, there is a reference number 20220. How it's fetching this number? Because of the number systems. If I see this number range internal assignment and external assignment, means we saved order, right? And automatically system proposed a order number. So how it's getting? We have VM01 intervals. This is the number range 01 internally assigned from range 1 to 1 all nines. So what is the current status of the number range? This is the current status, means out of this number range, this is the last number which we have consumed, which we have system processed with reference 20220. This is internal assignment, means system will automatically propose internally. If we make external assignment, in that case, we need to specify number between 5 all zeros to 5 all nines. Means /n VA03 This number, which is proposed by system internally, this has to be maintained manually. Okay. The use of number ranges. Similarly, we have general control parameters like reference mandatory, check division, probability, credit limit, credit group, output application V1. Let me help you here. For sales,
This is already set to set.
come again.
Add to the screen, previous screen, please.
Fine. Okay, give me a minute. For sales, we have application V1. For delivery, we have application V2. And for billing, we have application V3. Fine. These are the applications. Okay.
So these probability check, credit limit and credit group is already set, or we need to do it?
Okay. I'm helping you to understand these are the controlling parameters which is predefined in the system. Okay. Once we
Okay.
captured the business requirement, we need to understand what exactly the client is asking. Accordingly, we can customize. That could be number systems,
Mm.
general control, a transaction flow, agreements, shipment, billing, delivery dates, contracts, and availability check. These are all at header level. Like, let me give you an example.
Okay.
Here, requested delivery date, pricing date, and purchase order date. As soon as we create a sales order, while creating a sales order, system will automatically propose a delivery date. Here we can see lead time in days is 7. Okay, let me show you. If I try to create an order, VA01, order type over, here the system is already considering 7 days required delivery date, which is of 8th of March 2024 by default. Here we can see PO date empty. So what I'll try to do is, I'll try to make this as lead time in delivery. I'll make this as 1 and propose PO date. I'll activate this. Okay. Let's save it. Whenever we make any customizations, we need to ensure that TR numbers are saved safe. I mean, if I try to, okay, let me make any other change. Save it. Okay. Okay, we'll come to this point later. Let me save this. If I try to create an order, what we have made, we have changed required delivery date for next day, which is day 1, and purchase order date will automatically system will propose. Let's try /n VA01. Order type over, enter. Here we can see required delivery date system has proposed considering 1 day, which we have maintained as the backend 29. And we can see here the system has automatically proposed the PO date. Fine. Likewise, we have order type, sales document type controlling with shipment. Whenever we create delivery, right? In previous session, we have seen the delivery. So while creating delivery, the system will automatically propose standard delivery date, which is LF. For billing also, same. We have 2 types of billing. Is it delivery relevant or order relevant? In previous session, we have seen while creating a billing document, billing type was F2, right? So based on this sales document type, controllings are being done. Number systems, general controls. Let me give an example. Here, reference mandatory field is there, right? If I try to maintain this reference mandatory like quotation, we won't be able to create an order until unless we provide a reference quotation while creating an order. Let me save this. Okay, data was saved. If I try to create an order type OR, enter. Look, a new window has been popped up which is asking for a quotation. If we don't provide any reference to quotation, the system will not be able to allow us to proceed further. I'll go back to this customization and I'll deactivate this. Save it. Likewise, we have like while doing credit management, output applications, we'll come to this area. Then transaction flow, screen sequence group, incompletion log, document pricing procedure, status profile, likewise. Then while doing scheduling agreement, while proceeding for delivery, billing, contracts, delivery date, likewise, all these parameters can be controlled at order level, sorry, header level. Moving further, we have item category. Means while creating an order, we have seen at item level TAN. Here, this was the header data which you have seen. Now we have item category TAN. How it's getting determined? Okay, that is, there is a formula for this item category determination. If we can see the controlling parameters with item category TAN, and we'll see how this item category got determined. Let's go to the controlling parameters first via transaction code VO V7. Or we can navigate to like this. This is sales document header. Now sales document item. Define item categories. Execute item category TAN. Select it, click on to details. Here we can see completion rule, billing relevance, pricing relevance, business item, schedule and item, credit active, general control, transaction flow, bill of material configuration, value contracts. All these controlling parameters at item category level. Now, if I try to deactivate this pricing, okay, and deactivate this billing, and I'll try to save this. Now let's see how sales order performs. /n VA01 order type OR customer material and quantity. Enter. Now we see here as we have deactivated the pricing, the system is not able to fetch the item price and also the net value, neither pricing nor billing. This is the purpose of controlling. This is the purpose of item category controlling. From this area, we can control the certain fields and certain parameters. Let's reactivate this pricing, billing relevance, and save it. Now I'll try to create again a new order. /n VA01 order type OR customer material quantity 1. Now, if we see here, the system is able to fetch the price and also the net value, which is billing. Now, moving further, we have one more area, which is schedule and category. This is CM, and we can see via transaction code Vivo V6. We can see the controlling parameters via transaction code Vivo V6, or we can navigate to this area. I'll go back. Here we see another line item, which is schedule lines. Open the node, define schedule and category, execute. We can select any of them. Let's assume CM. Why? In the order, we can see, double click on this item level, we can see schedule and tab. We can see here scheduling as CP, which is with MRP, means the material will be procured, manufactured, and that will be transferred over warehouse stock, which is MRP requirement, CP. If you want to see how this parameter, schedule and category, is being controlled with fields, click onto this either CM or CP, click onto details. We can see here business data, like we are moving certain items from our warehouse to logistics. Okay, so movement type will be 601, goods issue delivery. Item relevant for delivery, yes, it's active. Order type, item category, account assignment, likewise. Whenever this schedule and category gets changed, this fields also get changes. We'll see in coming sessions whenever we do other various types of orders, these schedule and category and item category gets changed. And in the transaction flow, we can see, is this item, means is this material is relevant for assembly? Yes. Is this item needs to be checked for availability? Yes. Is this item, for this item, do we need to reserve certain raw material, which is product allocation? Yes. All these three fields are active. Why? The reason behind is, in MRP, material master data, sorry, in material master data, we have maintained availability check as individual requirement. Based on that, the system will try to determine the schedule and category. I'll show this material master data once. Double click on this. Here we can see availability check as 01, which is daily requirement. And if we move further with MRP data, here we have maintained as production. This item, this material needs to be produced in our production plant. Give me a minute.
Hello.
Hello. So in material master data, we have maintained MRP, material requisition planning. So based on this, the system will try to determine schedule and category. Let me help you with this determination. Okay. This item category determination, we have formula with order type plus item item category group plus uh, text item plus higher level item category equals to item category determination. Okay. Here, this formula we can see via transaction code V4, V4, or we can navigate to this area. I'll go back, sales document item, define item category groups, execute, sorry, item category determination, assign item category determination, execute. We can see here item category assignment or determination. Click on to position. We are maintaining order type as OR, and in the material master data, we have item category as group. So sales document, item category, usage plus higher level item. Okay, correction here. This is usage. So based on this formula, this item category gets determined. Similarly, for schedule and category, we have transaction code, Vivo V5. Let me cross check once. /n Vivo V5. Yes, assign schedule and category. So based on what it's getting determined? Item category plus MRP type. Here we have item category as STAN and MRP type. In the material master, we have maintained PD. So based on this, the system is determining the schedule and category as CP. Item category plus MRP type equals to CP or C. We can, if we don't know this transaction code, we can navigate to this directly. I'll go back, schedule names, assign schedule and category, execute. Okay, already here the system, already I have opened this. So this is the area. Any dots in this sales document, header data, item category, schedule and category?
No.
Okay. Now moving further, we'll see delivery controlling. While creating delivery, we use transaction code VL01N, right? /n VL01N. Here also we have header data and item data. Header details and item details. How are we going to control this? We have transaction code OVLK. which is header data controlling. Else, we can navigate to this area like this. Close this. Logistics execution, shipping, basic shipping functions, sorry, deliveries. We can see here, define delivery type. A while ago, we have seen, right?
Sorry.
Okay, here, a while ago, we have seen, right? Delivery type, we are maintaining as LF, okay? Enter. So this delivery type is controlling the delivery document. Means, if I click onto this delivery type icon, click onto position, delivery type LF. Select it, click onto details. Here we can see delivery type LF, category as change, which is nothing but delivery. Then number systems. Whenever we create a delivery, the delivery document will be saving with certain number. So internally 17, externally 18. Mostly, most of the systems will be having internally. Okay. Then whenever we create a delivery document, we need reference order required. Here, sales order required. If you don't maintain this, the system will not be able to proceed further. Number systems, order reference, and documents like split warehouse number, automatic packing, general packing material, rescheduling, all this data relevant for delivery, like text determination, storage location, route determination, output determination, and application V2. These are all fields we can control at the delivery header level. Moving further, we have delivery item category. If I double click on this, okay, no need. Here, this is the item, right? Here we can see item category as TAM. We can go directly to that area via transaction put OVLP, or we can navigate. I'll go back. Here we can see define item categories for delivery. We have item category two levels at sales level, which is sales order level, and delivery level. Let's execute this. Click on to position item category as TAM. Enter. Select this TAM and click on to details. Here we can see quantity and warehouse controlling and packing. Means here we are able to see delivery quantity 4, right? If I go to the picking tab, we can see here automatic system is able to fetch storage location, delivery quantity, plant, and the system is allowing us to pick the quantity, which is editable. Now what I'll do is I'll deactivate this relevant for picking. Storage location I'll deactivate and determine storage. I have deactivated all these three fields. Let's save this. Now let's try creating again delivery. /n VL01 and date, shipping point, order number, delivery type. Enter. Here we can see here the system did not fetch the storage location, and also the system has frozen for the field picking quantity. We are not able to pick the quantity. I'll go back to this delivery item category and I'll restore the saved fields with activated. Okay. Let's try creating again VL01N. Enter. We can see here the system has automatically fetched the storage location, delivery quantity, and we are able to proceed for the, we are able to pick the quantity likewise. PGI. We can see the number has, the delivery has been sent with XYZ number. So this is the area where we can control the delivery type via transaction code OVLK, which is header level, and OVLP, which is item level. Any dots in this delivery area?
Yes.
Okay. Now moving further, we have one more area, which is application V3 building. How we can control this area building? We can go, sorry, we can go via transaction code VOFA, or we can navigate to the this workflow. I'll go back. I'll close this node, which is logistic execution. I'll go to the sales and distribution, building, building documents, define building types. We have created building, right? So what was the building type? F2.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Okay. So whenever we are creating building document, right? So we are considering building type as F2. Let's
F2, yeah.
execute. Double click on the building type, click on to position, search for F2, enter. You got the F2. Select this F2 and click on to details. Here we can see building type as F2. Whenever we create a building document, the system is proposing the internal number assignment, which is 19. And we can see some general control parameters like document category, which is invoice, transaction group, billing category, invoice type, like just
Okay.
to help in.
Sometimes server at the time of billing when मैं जब billing करती थी
Okay, so
हेलो
we have,
तभी ये जैसे कोई डिलीवर्ड नहीं दिखा रहा है या ऑर्डर नंबर कहीं स्टक हो गया है तो इंटरनली हम बिलिंग डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप में जाकर उसे कर सकते हैं चेंजेस
no, I'll explain, okay? Whenever there is a business requirement, this is a one-time fix, okay? Whatever issues we are facing that needs to be checked and need to be connected with the concerned developer or consultant. हम बार बार जब भी हमें इश्यू आता है हम इसको जाकर चेंज नहीं कर सकते। ये कस्टमाइजेशन है, वन टाइम रहेगा। अगर से बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट कुछ ऐसी है, so we need to consider those business requirement and we have to customize the configuration accordingly कि इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है एंड अकॉर्डिंगली हम उसको कॉन्फ़िगर करेंगे एंड क्लाइंट को डिलीवर करेंगे। ये billing types, basically why I'm saying all this billing controlling is to understand what are all functionalities available and how are we going to understand the requirement and implement accordingly. जब हमें इसके फंक्शनलिटीज पता होंगे, कंट्रोलिंग्स पता होंगे, तभी हम इसको अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे एंड इसको कंट्रोल कर पाएंगे फॉर दैट रीजन। नाउ यहाँ पे बिल्डिंग टाइप एफयू है, ये एक स्टैंडर्ड है। अगर से बिल्डिंग कैंसिल करना हो, इनवॉइस आपने बना दिया, अभी उस इनवॉइस को कैंसिल करना चाहोगे तो वो सिस्टम कैसे कंट्रोल करेगा? यस, so there are the certain fields that needs to be aware of. अगर से हमें पता होगा तो हम उसको अच्छे से कंट्रोल कर पाएंगे।
Okay.
अगर से हम ना पता हो तो that will be a complicated situation for that reason. So this is the general control area. Then cancellation. If you want to cancel the billing type will be yes one. Then this billing is integrated with account assignment, pricing determination, output determination, partner determination and text determination. Let me give you an example. जब भी हम इनवॉइस बनाते हैं ना, तो उस इनवॉइस का हम एक प्रिंट लेते हैं, या नहीं तो हम एक मैसेज करते हैं whoever the partner is. So how these outputs are getting determined? आउटपुट चाहे वो फॉर्म में हो सकता है या मैसेज में हो सकता है और मेल हो सकता है, कुछ भी, एनी ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन टूल। देन पार्टनर्स। पार्टनर्स क्या होते हैं कि ये इनवॉइस, ये बिल हम किसको भेज सकते हैं, किसको भेजना है, सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली कैसे डिटरमाइन करेगा। देन टेक्स्ट। सिस्टम कैसे टेक्स्ट डिटरमाइन करेगा, अकाउंट असाइनमेंट कैसे डिटरमाइन करेगा, प्राइसिंग कैसे डिटरमाइन करेगा। ये सारे कंट्रोलिंग्स यहाँ पे होंगे, विच इज वोपा, विवो एक्सेल। Any dots in this order type, delivery type, billing type?
No.
Okay. Thanks, Shalini.
So how control and change and all this thing, right?
I lost you. Your voice is breaking.
I mean to say that how we can control these all sales, order, delivery, and billing part, right?
Yes. This is related to the controlling areas.
Mm. So it is required when invoice cancellation, in delivery type changes, and in sales order type changes.
Fine. Okay. Now, we have started initially, right? While creating different types of orders, we will be able to observe the item category, schedule and category, delivery type and billing. ये मैं आपको इसलिए बोला, हम अभी तक तो जस्ट एक ही ऑर्डर किया, वेरियस ऑर्डर्स रहेंगे जहाँ पे ये आइटम कैटेगरी चेंज होगा, शेड्यूल एंड कैटेगरी चेंज होगा, चाहे तो डिलीवरी भी चेंज हो सकती है, बिलिंग भी चेंज हो सकती है। सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस वी कैन ऑब्जर्व एंड लर्न।
Okay. If we need to change schedule line category, right? So we can control from here.
यस।
Okay, got it.
शैल वी कंक्लूड और एनी अदर डाउट?
No, no, no.
ओके, चलो, थैंक्स शालिनी। चलो, टेक केयर।